Welcome into Fox Weather Live. I'm Kiana Lewis. Hurricane season has clocked into work. The calendar just flipped to June and the Atlantic is already bringing in the action. A new area off the southeast coast is being monitored for the potential of tropical development. Fox Weather is your hurricane HQ, so make sure you keep it right here all week long as we get you ready for the hurricane season. And two seasons collide. While hurricane season is just getting started, we have severe weather season still in action across several parts of the country, and it's still going strong too. Parts of the country still getting in on rounds of strong storms, heavy rain, and even some tornadoes tonight. We'll get you caught up on everything that's happened today, what's happening now, and what's still to come into tomorrow. We take you, though, to Wrightsville Beach in North Carolina as we kick off severe weather season and hurricane season. The Southeast is actually watching that area for tropical development later this week. Fox Weather hurricane specialist Bryan Norcross, he joins us now in studio. Bryan, I woke up this morning and thought to myself, here we go. We're starting off the season. This one, though, a slow start to things.
Slow start this year, and actually across the Atlantic and the Caribbean and the Gulf, the conditions really are not conducive at all to tropical development. But right along the Carolina coast, there's a slight chance, and the National Hurricane Center highlighting that as of this afternoon. There you see it. We call that a lemon that they've put out. 10% chance of a tropical depression developing. Now, a depression is a really low bar, so it doesn't take a whole lot. If something gets spinning there right along the coast, there is the warm Gulf Stream coming up here like this, and just a chance that it gets tropical enough. But it's going to be developing somewhere around in here and moving in this direction pretty quickly. So it has a very, very small window. That's why they have 10%. What's going on right now? There's a front across Florida. South of the front, it's very tropical. The rainy season has kicked in South Florida. It's been pouring cats and dogs all day. Dylan, you need to switch me back over here if you would. Thank you. And north of the front, you have some kind of drier air. So what we have here is a kind of a switch in the wind from the south down here and from the north up that way. So that could get some kind of circulation going there. All right, now as we go forward in time, here we are Wednesday and into Thursday. All that business lifts north, so better weather is coming for South Florida. Low pressure could start spinning here along the coast. Now, that doesn't mean it's tropical at all, just some rotation beginning in the atmosphere, and it's going to get some help. There's a dip in the jet stream coming that's bringing down cooler air on this side, moisture air on this side, so that gives it a little bit of energy. Where does it set up? Like right along the coast, so a lot of it's over the land, then it's probably not going to be able to amount to much. Maybe, though, just offshore over that warm water. That's why they give it that 10% chance. And here comes the moisture. In any case, looks like a significant rainy period starting in maybe Georgia, South Carolina, and then moving up along the coast. So this is a Thursday, Friday thing with, again, slight chance it becomes tropical. It doesn't really make much difference. Mainly, it's just rain is on the way. Okay, there's high pressure over the Atlantic. So that's controlled. You can remember, tropical systems are low pressure. So when you have a big high out there, nothing is going to develop around in here, and it's making a strong flow on across the Atlantic, and follow it here, and you see it kind of goes over and then comes back this way. The front is denting it, but once the front is gone and the front lifts back to the north, then we're going to have high pressure over the Gulf. So that's going to keep things under control for the foreseeable future. On the bottom side of that high, that flow is bringing dust all the way from Africa. It's really affecting the Caribbean. Very hazy out there in the Caribbean right now. Moving forward over the next week, the dust is going to affect South Florida and maybe a good part of Florida, get those hazy skies, some maybe along the Gulf Coast as well. And we continue with dust out there. The dust is dry air, so just think that takes the moisture out of the air, so nothing going to develop. But also, this year is much more typical out in the Atlantic, and we have cool water out here. So this is why in the early part of the hurricane season, we look in the western areas, in the Caribbean, southern Gulf of Mexico, for any possible development. And because we have a more or less typical year this year, that's where we're going to look. It's very warm in the Caribbean. It always is, all year round. And you see where the warm water is here down in the southern Gulf. So that's where we're going to stay focused. So this is going to show you why we're thinking that next week, and nothing this week for sure, because we have these strong winds blasting across, these upper winds blasting across the tropics. And as we go into next week, watch what happens. Here we go. There's Tuesday, Wednesday. We're continuing on here, on into next week. And you notice what happens is here are the strong winds, and then we get this area in here, kind of a dip, and generally weaker winds there. Still, you would call that somewhat hostile to development, but relative to what we have right now, a little more. This dip sometimes gets some kind of low pressure going there. No sign of that in the credible long-range computer forecast, but we're just going to keep an eye on it. This is next week. So nothing this week, and probably nothing next week, but not 100% for sure. In the Pacific, still this 40% area here. It's this disturbance over here heading that way. If it can spin up and it becomes a tropical storm, it will be called Barbara. Look at the energy in the water there, already in the 90s off of Mexico. But if it goes up in this direction, it'll do the same thing will happen to this that happened to Alvin. The water gets very cool quickly as you go north off of Mexico. But you see here, compared to what we looked at in the Atlantic, a big area of very light upper winds. And so you have conducive conditions there in the Pacific, where in the Gulf, the Caribbean, and in the Atlantic, everything looks pretty hostile right now. So, Kiana, it looks like we're going to stay on this calm side, certainly for this week, but maybe even for next week, because everything looks very marginal, if anything at all. But we'll keep an eye on the Gulf and Caribbean next week.
We certainly were right on track with June standards, so we'll keep a close eye on those updates. Bryan Norcross, thank you so much for joining us